Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much you guys. I love you for it. All your wonderful comments and the thumbs up. Keep them coming. It really does keep me going. Now this is part 2. I did my first swipe, the last video, with base paint as the house paint. This time my base is going to be acrylics, the soft body acrylic paint for Artist Loft. That is 50% paint, 50% Floetrol. I'm going to try that as a base, use the same colors, do a similar swipe. It'll be a little bit of a different design, but let's just see if it makes a difference with our swipe or not. Greg's going to hit some music. The colors I'm using are the same. It's the Artist Loft Metallic Black. This is an opaque color. And the Global's Metallic, the cyan blue and, metallic blue and the cyan, metallic cyan it's called, or cyan. How do you say that, you guys? And let me know in the comments how you say that color. Okay, so same colors, different base. We're going to do a swipe. Let's see what happens. Hit the music, hon. Let's have some fun.
I was born on a day in the internet age. Now it's backwards hat 90s of gaudy millennial days. So I check the feed, make sure I'm still here. It's my digital birthright, my modern rendition of real. Oh, 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 oh. A fine freak show disguised as awards. This all seems so pointless. The pretty pop stars look so bored. All the world's a stage, a big mirror ball. All in all, you're just another dumb link on my wall. So I got a feeling that this could be a little more than feelings. If I'm being honest, honestly, you got me where you want it. You got me playing every card, spending all my time trying to find out more about you. Cause I really want you in my space, picking up every call, I'm falling, all my money's on you. I never knew I needed love, needed love, needed love. I always thought I'd be enough, be enough, be enough. You show me what it means to see outside of me. God knows what I'd be missing. Now I really need your love, need your love, need your love. I'm still believing that you might be the one thing to believe in. If I'm losing focus, it's cause I'm focused on you every single moment. You got me playing every card, spending all my time trying to find out more about you. Cause I really want you in my space, picking up every call, I'm falling, all my money's on you. I never knew I needed love, needed love, needed love. I always thought I'd be enough, be enough, be enough. You show me what it means to see outside of me. God knows what I'd be missing. Now I really need your love, need your love, need your love. I never knew I needed love, needed, oh, I need your love. I never knew I needed love, needed, yes, I need your love. Yes, I need your love. Oh, I need your love. Come on now. Hey. I never knew I needed love, needed love, needed love. I always thought I'd be enough, be enough, be enough. You show me what it means to see outside of me. God knows what I'd be missing. Now I really need your love, need your love, need your love. I need your love. Need your love. Need love, need love, need love.